Hello friends and welcome to your Spanish Corner. This video is part 2 of Spanish vowel sounds. In part 1, I explained the 5 vowels in Spanish, one by one. If you haven't watched part 1, you may want to visit my channel or click on the link in the description box down below. In this part 2, we are going to practice further and with example words. So, let's get started. In Spanish, the name of a vowel and its sound are the same. So, the letter A sounds A, letter O sounds O, and so on. So let's begin with our practice. Letra A. Please repeat after me. A, A, A. Now some words containing the sound A. Please repeat after me. Casa, casa, casa. Lata, lata, lata. Alma, alma, alma. Alga, alga, alga. Remember, vowel sounds in Spanish are always short. Letra A. Please repeat after me. A, A, A. Este, este, este. M, M, M. Endeble, endeble, endeble. Etapa, etapa, etapa. Letra I. Repeat after me, please. I, I. Y. Incluso, incluso, incluso. Idea, idea, idea. Idioma, idioma, idioma. Isla, isla, isla. Letra O. Please repeat after me. O, O, O. Oso, oso, oso. Oficina, oficina, oficina. Oído, oído, oído. Dorado, dorado, dorado. Letra U. Please repeat after me. U, U, U. Uso, uso, uso. Tubo, tubo, tubo. Último, último, último. Utilidad, utilidad, utilidad. Very good. I strongly recommend that you watch this video several times and repeat the sounds and words again and again, listening to yourselves until you get the correct pronunciation. Okay friends, if you have enjoyed this video, please give me a like and subscribe to my channel for new videos. Next, I will make some Spanish pronunciation videos with consonant sounds. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Hasta pronto.